200 रुपए में मेरी कौन सी जायदाद बन जाएगी दादा, क्या हो गया? What do you mean medium? I'm small. मेरा दिल टूट गया है उससे तो, बट ठीक है। मैं दुखी हो गई हूँ, मेरी खुशी खुशी आई थी।
1500 outfit go that easy.
Actually, wait.
Oh, so she's trying her bargaining tricks.
No, go for it. 20 तो वो भी बोले, आप 1000 बोलो, मैं दुकान पे मूड करूंगी। यहाँ नहीं आना।
Oh God.
दिल टूटता है।
So आज जो हमारी guest है, she has won our hearts in Shikara and Raksha Bandhan with her stunning performance. तो अब बारी है उनके off-screen performance की. So let's see how it goes. Please welcome the absolutely stunning Sadia Khatib. Hi Sadia, welcome to Gully Fashion.
I'm so excited to be here.
Very Emily in Paris, है
I
ना?
know.
It's giving full on Emily Paris.
And it's
At
summery.
Manish Nagar Market. You were telling me off camera that आपको कुछ Indo-Western looks try करने हैं because you have tried a lot of Western and Indian wear. You just want to mix and match, experiment, and just go with the flow and see how things work out for us.
Yeah, because this place has so much, so different. Like we have Western, we have Indian, so we can maybe do something. Maybe we can try something. It's not specific into Western that I want to do. I really want to just explore whatever nice we get. We'll just go for it.
Perfect. Let's do that. All right.
Thank you so much. See how excited I am. Like I already like let's go.
So when was the last time you came out street shopping?
In Bombay, been a while, but last year I did that a lot. So what are we gonna do today? Just
I will honestly, I want to really understand your taste, and then उसी के साथ हम go with the flow कर सकते
Then I'll
हैं.
tell you something very honestly. First of all, I don't really like going out and shopping. Like I'm not that person who would want to go on streets and do all that. But if I go, then I will just take a round, see something I like, pick it up.
So you're not a window shopper. You would not waste much time.
Yeah.
If you feel that this is your vibe,
I
this
will
is your style.
immediately pick it up. But one can't also convince me that, oh, this is nice, this is nice. No.
Well, now that's a task for me, and that's why we do Gully Fashion. So over to you, and let's see what we get. I really like this.
Indo-Western.
Yeah,
This is
and we
something
can team it up with some really nice Indian jewelry,
you know, I like it.
jhumka or chandbali or anything in silver.
यार ऐसा लगेगा कि भारी था और ये पसंद आके ले लिया इन्होंने.
But I really like it. Maybe it was just meant for us to buy it.
Correct.
We all know that you're from Kashmir. I mean, it's a beautiful place to be.
Yeah.
It's like heaven on earth. Have you been ever street shopping in Kashmir?
Of course, yes. I told you I do.
And
Here also I've been a lot of times.
oh wow! And are there any favorite like hidden gems in Kashmir that you would want to tell?
I usually go to this favorite place called Pasham Kar.
Okay, guys know this.
Yeah.
And also Kashmir is known
Lady
for their
Heart.
pashmina
Yeah,
shawls.
they have authentic pure
Wow.
pashmina.
So guys, if you ever want to go holiday in Kashmir, now you know where to go. And I'm loving the fact that you're just all over the place, so which means you're very excited.
I'm very excited. I love this.
What do you think so far about this one, the one that you're holding?
What do you think?
I love it. I love
I mean,
the
it's
prints.
definitely an option. आप मुझे ये कितने में दे रहे हो? क्या? नहीं दादा.
How good are you at bargaining?
अभी ये पूछोगे इनके सामने तो वो they will obviously be like नहीं 1500 कितने में दोगे बस बताओ. 800. 800. 200 रुपए में मेरी कौन सी जायदाद बन जाएगी दादा, क्या हो गया? मेरी इज्जत रख लो कैमरे के सामने. देखो मैं ऐसे भी आती हूँ याद रखना भैया.
1000 में हो
छोड़ो
सकता है.
रहने then we'll not take it, it's fine. We'll look for something under
Okay, then
there.
let's see. Honestly, I'm gonna give it a try again. I won't just let that outfit go that easy.
Actually, wait.
Oh, so she's trying her bargaining tricks.
No, go for it. Reveal my skills.
अरे but he's not listening ना.
सुनो 1000 last.
नहीं 1000 हाँ बोलो भैया.
देखो कितना बुरा लगेगा अगर मैं शॉप से कैमरे के सामने खाली हाथ जाऊंगी.
ले लो कर दिया आपके लिए.
1000 रुपए.
Wow, so I think kudos to you that she made it happen.
There is
She
a
got
twist.
this outfit for 1000 rupees. We hardly had to waste more than 3 minutes, which is a fair deal.
अब इस खुशी में मैं एक और आउटफिट यहीं से ले जाऊंगी. I'm going to
Can make you experiment and try something new.
Sure.
If you are really keen on buying this t-shirt, I would want you to wear it with a skirt. Honest feedback.
What do you mean medium? I'm a small.
But let's look for something in shorts. Maybe we can go to another shop.
Come let's
फिलहाल whatever we have taken from you,
दे
we'll
दो.
buy it.
कितना हुआ? 800 में.
भैया हम वापस आए किसी और गेस्ट के साथ वापस आए ना हम. Thank you.
1000 रुपए दे दिए, पैसे दो।
भैया बहुत स्मार्ट है,
हाँ, ठीक है,
उनसे ज्यादा
माफ
स्मार्ट
किया।
हम है। Alright, so finally we were able to sort our look 1 and look 2 के लिए हमने एक प्यारा सा टी-शर्ट खरीदा है which says leave me alone. But we can look for some options in bottoms,
Yeah.
and then we can end up with some cool jewelry, some
Yeah.
ethnic Indian jewelry or whatever goes with the flow.
Hmm.
So let's go.
I think I saw some black pants somewhere. I can't find.
Black pants.
Yeah. Spotted this with that black shirt.
Honestly, Sadia, why am I here? मैं क्यों हूँ यहाँ? आज हम ये episode क्यों कर रहे हैं? Because I think she doesn't need me. She is her own stylist. She can slay it all way.
What do you think with the black?
It's beautiful. I love it. I'm already visualizing how it's gonna look.
But we'll keep this as a safety option. I am actually looking for black cargos. I think I know what I'm going to do with it. No,
Okay,
no,
not this.
big
No. It's a big no to this.
Something
Could
like
be a
this.
big yes to this. Okay, sure.
What do you think?
I love bling. Everyone knows.
Because we're wearing a very plain black leave me alone shirt.
So just to compliment, and I love this belt without
this?
belt. हाँ.
दादा इसमें साइज है, दिखाओ मुझे 28. I think we've got it. It will be such a party dress where you wear something
Yeah.
like this, very casual.
Very cash,
And then
yes.
you say leave me alone so that nobody comes close to you during a party or something.
Wow.
Okay, अब तुम सब छुप जाओ. then
कहाँ
I can
गए
shake.
भैया?
Otherwise आप सबको देख के ना
भैया जी आ
नहीं,
जाइए।
छुपो, कैमरा देख के ज्यादा बोलेंगे.
नहीं मुझे दाम बता दीजिए ना,
दादा,
जीन्स
ये
काम
कितने
खरीद
का
रहे हैं। जी वो क्यों
1000
ऐसे
का
कर रहे
मिलेगा
हो?
पक्का. आपकी दुकान का प्रमोशन हो जाएगा.
Wow.
भैया you sure?
I am out of the frame.
I am also out of the room now because this is 3295 entire budget भी
Wow.
नहीं है.
Imagine that's our budget.
Okay. सुनो, हमें चैलेंज मिला है. ये जो अभी आपका शॉप है, ये कैमरे पे भी आएगा. देखो
Maybe
आपकी
that's
भी
why
फायदा,
my
मेरा
body
भी
was
फायदा.
like-
नहीं में आएगा. फाइनल बताओ.
Are you by any chance
नहीं,
from
budget-
Orissa
इन्होंने
or
दिया ही नहीं budget.
from Kolkata?
बजट ही नहीं
The
दिया
skin
था.
tells
अच्छा ऐसा कुछ है 1000
And your
में.
eyes.
I'll be very heartbroken if I don't get this. रिकॉर्ड भी नहीं करेंगे
She is
दुकान पे.
definitely giving
मनीष
it a
मार्केट
try.
वगैरह सब बोल जाएंगे. देखो फायदा
Let's
होगा.
see.
बाद में आके ले लेना मुझसे भी कैमरे के सामने हाथ.
After you. मुझे बॉटम्स यहाँ दिख रहे बट चमकीले नहीं है, बट लेट्स से अगर कुछ बेल बॉटम्स जैसा
ज्यादा
भी कुछ मिल
ग्लिटर वाले
जाए।
पैंट्स हैं होंगे आपके पास. अब तो अच्छे इंसान लगते हो. फिर सिंपल ब्लैक ले लेते हैं ना ट्राउजर.
हाँ, सिंपल ब्लैक आल्सो वर्क्स।
शो सिंपल ब्लैक ट्राउजर.
दिखाओ सिंपल ब्लैक।
शो कपड़ा क्या
I
है?
love the material.
नहीं,
Looks
मटेरियल
nice.
पॉलिस्टर है बाबा. पॉलिस्टर इज नॉट गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ.
And why so?
Because it's not a nice fabric. Hey,
हाँ, लेकिन पॉलिएस्टर अच्छा नहीं ना
ये
सेहत के लिए।
कितना परसेंट इसमें कपड़ा है? क्या पॉलिस्टर है, कॉटन है, क्या है? ज्यादा पॉलिस्टर है ना पूरा ना.
थैंक यू भैया।
कार्गो मिलेगा. You know, first thing first. I think if this fits, this is nice.
I like
With
it.
that black leave me alone.
Yeah. And we can do some jewelry, minimal.
How much is this for, दादा? नहीं दादा, 200 रुपए, 300 रुपए चल. ठीक.
हाँ, अरे
I
वाह।
think, yeah, we have an option now.
We have an option.
Even
Okay, we
we just
have
show
an
the
option.
black shirt, no? मुझे बताओ black है pure
नहीं नहीं,
black.
white t-shirt. Honestly.
आंटी जा रहा है ना इसके साथ ये? चलो.
Yeah,
we
I
have
think we can do this.
300 रुपए. थैंक यू दादा.
300 नहीं ना, 200.
500 बोला 300 कर रहे हैं. इतना बुरा नहीं कर सकते दादा के साथ.
Okay, fine.
So the most traumatizing experience of my life and childhood has always been my mama taking when I used to be in Jammu and Kashmir. She used to love street shopping. She still loves. And she loves it to a level that she has to go every weekend and stuff like that.
Wow.
And then even buy nothing or buy everything. I don't know what all. And I used to hate the fact that ungli pakad ke zabardasti she would just take us.
Oh wow.
And now that she was here, she said, "Yahan chale, Vaishali Nagar or this." I'm like, no. I'm the last person they asked.
Oh.
And they're like, I wish you were like my other sister Jumaisi who goes out and can do. But I was the last person. I hated it. And it traumatizes me
Oh god.
just walking behind her and she's shopping stuff. Like, I swear.
Pay 1500. He has pan in his mouth.
दादा थूक ही लेते हैं यार. दादा कोई है यहाँ पे? ये कितने का है?
I love the color. I mean,
Huh?
I am.
Yeah,
If you're buying this, then we are probably gonna twin. Probably if you are buying this.
I am gonna buy this because I really like it. This is a medium size. दादा 800 में
कर
दे दो.
दो.
कैमरे पे दिखाऊंगी मैं. ये दुकान है मनीष नगर में. एक अच्छे इंसान है जो 800 रुपए में. Done. We have this.
Wow.
This is medium ना?
So
मेरे को fit होगा? Okay, we've got this already.
Wow.
Now we have 3 clothes.
yeah. So I think in the history of gully fashion, I personally have never had a guest as wonderful as her who has shopped 3 looks, and we still have some money left for jewelry. So wow.
This is so nice. I like it.
Love it, love it. For 800, not a problem,
Let's
यार.
go, honey.
चलो, jewelry हो जाए.
अब तो 600-700 में से ये ब्लैक वाली, बट वो बजट बहुत ज्यादा बोल रहे हैं मुझे सच्ची। अगर अभी भी दोगे ना 1000 में,
This
अभी
is the third time she has visited this store. She
दिल आ गया
definitely
ना?
wants to buy.
हाँ 20 तो वो भी बोले, आप 1000 बोलो, मैं दुकान प्रमोट करूंगी, यहाँ नहीं आना।
Oh God.
दिल टूटता है। डिस्काउंट दोगे ना, मिलेगा। चलो आते हैं हम यहाँ पे अभी। ये कितने का है? नहीं, पैसा मैं डिसाइड करूंगी।
Wow.
ठीक है, आप बस बताओ ये लगेगा उस पिंक ड्रेस के साथ?
प्यारा है, but then I also feel that it's fully covered.
हाँ,
So
correct.
it's not gonna. I think
So
we
I
should
think we
focus
should
more
just-
on the earrings. So you like something chunky, or would you like to wear like studs?
ग्रेसफुल।
Okay, graceful. That's your taste.
दादा कितने किए ये? 80 रुपीज। 100? ये कितने का बोला था मैंने?
50?
150?
हाँ.
दे दो 150 का ये।
And then
आपकी दुकान का नाम क्या है? लक्ष्मी ज्वेलर्स, गाइस।
then-
मनीष नगर, लक्ष्मी ज्वेलर्स गिव ग्रेट डिस्काउंट। आई थिंक आई लाइक समथिंग। वो देखो चमकीला उधर कुछ है। What is that? That cape.
that too will be out of our budget anyway,
How?
unless you try it.
दादा ये क्या है?
Yeah, these are those capes.
नाइस। कितने का है ये?
You turn ले.
दादा, हाय। पहचाना?
हाँ.
पहचाना ना?
उन्होंने
बैंक के साथ-
confidently हाँ कहा.
तो अभी सुनो, ये कैमरा वाले लोग आए हैं, हम दुकान भी प्रमोट करेंगे। 500 में बहुत सारा ले रहे हैं। आपकी मेरी डील है, हम तो जानते हैं एक दूसरे को। बहुत ही दादा ये देना, ये फॉर द स्पिंक आउट।
Yeah.
नहीं
Multi
दादा ये कितने का है?
250 का पैकेट
ये झूठ बोल रहे हैं, पता मैं आती रहती हूँ यहाँ 100%।
चलेगा।
मेरे को पूरा पता
हाँ,
है।
चलो, चलो।
ले लो, अब दे दो, अब काफी है।
दे दो चलो.
मेरा
चलो.
दिल टूट गया है वैसे तो, बट ठीक है।
600 और
हमारे पास
budget-
सिर्फ 500 का बजट है।
हाँ.
500 से ऊपर है ही नहीं पैसे।
तो अभी
500
100
में
रुपया बंद।
अरे चलो ठीक
क्यों
है,
बाद
बाद में दे दें। चलो थैंक यू भैया, यार आपने मेरा मान रखा, हाथ तो मिलाओ.
मैं दुखी हो गई हूँ, मेरी खुशी खुशी आई थी।
चलो भैया थैंक यू. अभी तो नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं भी बार्गेन नहीं करूंगी. Okay, so like I said, in the history of Gully Fashion, we have been able to buy 3 looks and a couple of jewelry options for Sadia.
थैंक यू।
So, what are we waiting for? Let's go to the studio and style you.
लेट्स गो।
So, Sadia Khatib, the first woman on Gully Fashion to have 3 looks in 3,000 rupees. I got to learn so much from you. So, thank you.
थैंक यू।
And moving on to what all we have purchased for you, starting with the first outfit,
This?
one.
This is
He was
something that I
giving it
tried.
to us for 1,500. We got it for 1,000. Look 2 would be this
The
beautiful
moment I
t-shirt.
saw this, I was in love because it so resonates with my personality at times when I'm in like one mood. So
Which goes with these track pants.
I really wanted those glittery pants. You will know.
But then it
But
was
don't talk about the shop. They didn't give us
it
for
was out of our budget.
budget. So
But this we got for 200 rupees. This we got for 300.
this was like,
Option 3,
This is really cute. Okay, this is
which we got it for 800 rupees.
Yeah.
हमें दे रहा था वो कितने में?
सिर्फ 2000 बोला था, 1500 बोला था,
something,
but
yes.
he gave it for
Don't
like
quite remember. But then उसके अलावा we got this for 50. We got this for 100. So that's
Aren't they
150.
cute?
And then a pair of earrings, a finger ring, and a bracelet for 500 rupees. 3 looks
We
होने के
saved 50
बावजूद
rupees?
हमने
ऑटो
50
का
rupees
खर्चा
saved.
वापसी का।